guys, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Tech Techno, where we bring you quality tech content and make your life techilicious. So guys, we have come up with yet another video where we'll be talking about Accenture Project Management Virtual Experience Program and its answers. So guys, stay tuned to the video and see it entirely so that you can grab this virtual internship opportunity from the comfort of your home. So let me tell you how you can grab this opportunity. This opportunity is exclusively available on Forage platform. Forage is a free open access virtual platform which has been designed for students looking to obtain practical work experience through company endorsed programs. Through your participation in a virtual experience program, you will undertake hypothetical tasks that are very closely mirror the sort of work you do as an intern or a graduate employee at the organization. It is a unique opportunity for you to try out the career at your own pace and in your own time from the comfort of your home. You can think calling clients, emailing partners, and creating PowerPoint decks for your team. It's focused on giving you a true taste of life at work. Also, there are a lot of benefits that includes boosting your CV, gaining critical work ready skills, and experiencing what works is like that at innovation and influential companies. You can complete it at the comfort of your own home and at your own pace. You could be potentially be recognized by recruiters at top companies on the platform. So, how can you take part? Getting started is really simple. It takes about 30 seconds to complete the registration process. From there, you can enroll in any of the virtual experience program and get an offer. So let's start the video and let's see how does it work. Firstly, recruiters create virtual experience program to train and look for the best candidates to hire. Anyone with an email can sign up. Try to complete any program at your own pace to gain real-world work experience. And voila, if you apply for a job after completing a program, your chances for being hired are now 2 to 5x higher. So what are you waiting for, guys? Browse your course catalog today and find a program for you. You can just look out for different options that you have and click on find a program for the program that suits you more depending on the work experience or the work genre that you're working in currently. You can join the students who are getting genuine career advantage by completing the programs. At Forage, every student has a chance to get ahead, build your resume, experience what real world look likes, and learn critical skills all among some of the best students across the world. Amongst 1 million plus students have registered into Forage programs already. You can experience work with virtual programs from innovative global companies like JP Morgan, Citibank, and various others like Accenture and others like. Click on Find a Program where you'll get to explore Forage work experience programs. Just go to the company name and select Accenture North America. So once you click on this program, you'll be redirected to the page where you can enroll for this program. Accenture Project Management course is basically a course where Accenture empowers you to do your best personally and professionally. Every day around the world, we work with exceptional people and the latest and greatest tech and leading companies across the industry. Keeping track captures essentials that are paramount to project management roles. This course highlights the benefits of various PM methodologies and will teach you characteristics of an effective project manager. So anyone who is interested in the field of project management should highly do this course, and I would recommend people to do this course personally. So what will you do in this project management virtual experience program? Firstly, the task is understand the approaches to project management, then prepare a proposal for the optimal project management approach. Moving on to identifying key attributes of a good project manager or project lead. And finally, importance of communication in project management. So if you see and scroll down, this program is self-paced and it takes approximately 5 to 6 hours to complete the project. Once you're done listing down all the tasks that are responsible for this particular course, just click on Go to Virtual Experience Program and enroll now. So once you click on Enroll Now, you will be redirected to the page where you need to log in with your Google account. Just click on Google account and answer some few questions that are just basic questions that you need to answer, like how you heard about this course and why do you want to take part about this course and everything like that. So guys, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to mention anything that you would like to see on a channel in the comment section, and we would like to bring you all the updated videos very soon. So just click on any consent that you want to provide accordingly, and you are being enrolled into the program. Once you're enrolled into the program, you can see and complete the task one by one. Moving to the task 1, which is when you are here, you can see understand the approaches to project management. You can click on view the task and you'll be redirected to the task page. So I'll just go on that page and I'll scroll down. So you can just go and scroll down and see what is the task like and what you need to do to complete the task. So here is the task, and in the resource below you have an opportunity to research project managers and project management types. Afterwards, you'll need to decide which project management approach would be best for each of the projects reviewed. You need to review the various project management approaches in project management approaches PPT, continue research on the approaches to find additional information, review the summaries of selected projects, and then drag the projects from the left and drop them to the appropriate project management approach on the right using drag and drop feature. So you'll just follow our video and see which correct answer is there, and you can submit it once done. So just follow the video that we are doing and the answers are all correct. So guys, if you're liking this video, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the like button under the video. Also, let me tell you what a project manager does. A project manager is responsible for planning and overseeing projects to ensure they are completed in a timely fashion and within budget. They plan and designate the project resources, prepare budgets, monitor progress, and keep stakeholders informed the entire way. This is all done within the confines of company's goal and vision. Project managers are needed on a variety of projects including construction, IT, HR, and marketing. And they generally need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or business, as well as several years of experience in the relevant line of work with increasing responsibility. So let's move on with the next task. So in this task, we need to review the project terms and summaries, evaluate the intended outcomes, environment, and stakeholders of the project. We need to prepare a 1 to 3 slide proposal for your recommendation and rationale for the most suitable project management approach or approaches for each of the projects or the projects collectively. You need to summarize in bullet points the aspects and needs of government approval project and mobile app project. You need to listen or explain the project management approach along with the rationale as why the approach is most ideal. So you can follow this PPT that we have created and see the project management approach proposal. So you can follow the global approval project, in which the needs are that approval must be acquired from various governmental entities. The timelines are very tight and the application requires subject matter experts and long lead time. The cost could grow quickly if not controlled, and the rework and missed deadlines are costly and risky. So you can add other points that you would like to add to this particular PPT slide and create your slide and upload it once done. Just to add that these are just some of the points that we have listed down for you, and you can add any other project options that you want to add in this PPT for yourself. The project approach is that a plan-driven project management approach is recommended, and the plan-driven project management would better ensure the coordination of resources, scheduling and timing, cost management and maintaining coordination. The scope of the approvals and the timelines are more predictive and well understood. Limiting change and rework are better done. Then we have solid mobile app project. In this, we need to decide other few projects that we would like to evaluate and summarize in bullet points with the aspects and needs of the project. We need to list down all the approaches, like the project needs, that is brand identity to be identified with user input, capture user information early and often, experiment with strategies to appeal to the target demographically. So that is done, and we can also use the project approach that we have to follow for this particular condition, that an agile project management approach is ideal for the project. And the ability for development team and management to experiment with various ideas and features is the key. And obtaining the input from real users better shapes the product as it evolves. Target market appreciates this engagement and is willing to be a part of the journey to better accommodate their wants. And speed is also a critical factor here, as getting minimal features out of the users and attracting more users along the way is more powerful than delaying the launch. So you can just click on upload PowerPoint topic or PDF that you have created and just submit your work. So once done, please click mark as complete, and the second task of your particular course has also been completed now. So it is uploading your work for review and it may take few minutes to get completed. Once done, you'll get a congratulation message on completing the prepare a proposal for the optimal project management approach task, and you can mark it as complete. So once you've completed this task, you can click on continue to the next task and move on to the third one. So if you see, we have completed 2 tasks already and we are already on the third task. So just follow on our video and keep following our video. Third task is identify the key attributes of a good project manager or project lead. So, Solid, that is the company, has asked Accenture to summarize the ideal candidates for a project management role. The team has requested descriptions of what capabilities and attributes to seek out in individuals. Additionally, it would be helpful to know why these skills and abilities are important so that Solid is certainly they can select the best employees for this opportunity. You need to review the day in the life of a project manager PDF to learn more about the key attributes and competencies of a good project manager. Then you need to prepare a simple 1 or 2 slide PowerPoint presentation or a Word document where you'll be describing the role of a project manager and the key attributes and competencies the company should seek out when selecting a candidate. So you can ideally see the candidates of the project manager should have following. So you can see the ideal candidates for a project manager. In selecting an individual from your organization to fulfill the role of project manager, we recommend someone with many of the following. One should have an interact well with others, that is, he should or she should have an interpersonal skills, listens well and asks good questions, that is, he's an active listener, is organized and can plan out a high level and down to lowest levels, and is able to communicate with those doing to work to understand the work progress and hurdles. So you should understand what the progress of the work is and should also make others understand what the project demands. Should able to communicate with those outside the project succinctly and confidently. You can facilitate meetings, workshop and events, because you know that project manager has to take part in all of these activities to run out a great show. He should also be able to get others to communicate and knows when to back away. He should also supply people with responsibilities that he or she can, trust others, and the project should lead to a good level. So once done with creating this particular document, you can just upload this and submit the work. Once you've uploaded the work, you will be getting a congratulation message of this task, and you can click on confirm to move to the next task. So once you're done, you'll move to the fourth task, that is importance of communication in project programming. So once you are here, you will see the task. So as we all know that communication is extremely important in project management, and it may be the most important responsibility of a program manager. Without communication, there may be breakdowns, misunderstandings, missed opportunities, failure, risk, and many other possible complications. In this case, you have a forum to communicate with senior leadership and project members all at one time. You will have only 3 to 5 minutes to speak at the start of the project and put together an update to present and speak on during the call. You can take the information from the state of the project, the deliverables, the issues, risk, plans, timing schedule, the procurement needs, the cost, resource constraints, and quality concerns, and give an update to the senior manager. So you need to create a video of yourself and speak for around 5 minutes and discuss all things that you need and find are important to your project. The project objective, for example. So you can talk about the project objectives, that you need to secure the government approvals in various regions of Solid. How much time will it take? What updates do you have? So you need to talk like, thank you for your attention today. I shall briefly update everyone on the status, progress, and risk of the Solid mobile app project and the Solid government approval projects. You can talk about the government approval project, that this is progressing as per plans. As per the charts of the slide, you can see that 48 days in on time delivery for FFIC approvals, approved documents onto verification office for sign off, and you can also detail out other activities. Moving on to the mobile app, you can discuss the issues uncovered for the last release have been released. Feedback from the customers have been also been very positive, and the current iteration ends today. So you can see that I have provided you with a PPT that you can use for creating your own video with certain other comments that you can see and create an amazing video for yourself. For just submitting purpose, I am using this PPT and completing this work, and you can carry out and bring out amazing creativity of yours and create the video. Once you're done, you can upload the video and mark it as complete. Once you're done and you're uploading your work for review, it may take some few more minutes, and yeah, you have completed your project finally, and you can mark it as complete and proceed. And you have completed the virtual experience program. By clicking on next, you can download your certificate. So once you click on next, you can see that there are some reviews that you need to give to get in order to get the certificate. Just click on agree on whatever terms they are asking. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so that they also benefit from this video. Just leave a rating and a review for these programs and click on submit and download my certificate, and you can get your certificate in which that states that you have completed the virtual experience program with Accenture. So guys, if you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. So you can just express your interest in working at Accenture and submit and download the certificate. Once you're done, you will see how you can download the entire certificate. The process would be shown to you here. So guys, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to mention any other video that you would like to see on our channel in the comment section.